lab? Sounds familiar.
Whew! Sorry for the detour, folks.
Please stand by. This is a National Information Center.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Half of the battle for Dream Island zombies have been cured, while half were not, but it has been discovered that they can also fly to destroyed buildings. You were advised to stay in your shelter until further notice, and it is now reported that Draki can no longer barf to kill civilians, but you may not get out into your shelter. Continue to monitor your local media outlets for more information on this situation.
All right. What's the hold up here, Mr. Medward?
How should I know?